Hello, and welcome back to Puzzle Dazzle Your Mind in English. Today, we're diving into a thought provoking question. Would people still value the Mona Lisa if it were painted by artificial intelligence instead of Leonardo da Vinci? Let's begin by talking about what makes the Mona Lisa special. Most people know the painting for its mysterious smile, the calm expression, and of course, the artist behind it, Leonardo da Vinci. He painted it over 500 years ago, around the year 1503. The Mona Lisa hangs in the Louvre Museum in Paris and is seen by millions of people every year. But is it famous because of how it looks? Or because of who made it and when it was made? That's the big question. Let's imagine a modern AI system creates a painting that looks exactly like the Mona Lisa. Same colors, same style, same smile. If you place the two paintings side by side, most people wouldn't even know which one was real and which one was made by a machine. But would the AI version be worth hundreds of millions of dollars, like the original Mona Lisa? Probably not. Why? Because we don't only value art for how it looks, we value the story behind it. The Mona Lisa isn't just a beautiful painting, it's a window into the past. Leonardo da Vinci was not only an artist, but also a scientist, an inventor, and a genius of the Renaissance. His work represents a time in history, and people connect emotionally with that. When people look at the Mona Lisa, they feel like they are looking at a piece of human history. That's something AI cannot give us, at least not yet. Also, many people admire the skill and effort that went into creating the painting. Leonardo used techniques like sfumato, which is a way to make shadows soft and smooth. He studied human anatomy, nature, and light to make the painting look so real. Knowing that a human being spent years working on it adds meaning and value. On the other hand, AI can now create images in just seconds, even in the style of famous artists. But because the machine does it so quickly, without emotion, without purpose, and without real intention, it often feels less personal. People might enjoy AI art, but they don't usually feel the same emotional connection. That brings us to another idea, the soul of art. Some people believe that true art must have a soul. In other words, the artist puts a part of themselves, their feelings, their thoughts, their experiences, into the work. A computer doesn't have feelings or life experiences. It only uses data. That's why many people don't see AI art as equal to human art, even if it looks just as good. Of course, others argue that AI art is still impressive and can even inspire new creative thinking. Some museums are already showing digital art, and some people do collect AI-generated works. But so far, these works don't sell for the same high prices as art made by humans, especially not as high as Da Vinci's masterpieces. So, back to our question. Would the Mona Lisa still be special if it were made by AI? Well, it might still be beautiful, and it could even become popular on social media or in online galleries, but it would not have the same cultural importance, emotional power, or historical value. It would not be seen as a work of genius. It would be seen as a smart copy, not a world treasure. In the end, the Mona Lisa is more than just a painting. It's a symbol of human creativity, talent, and mystery. And those are things that, at least for now, only humans can fully express. Thanks for listening, and stay curious. See you next time on Puzzle Dazzle Your Mind in English.